So this month has been a struggle for the entire market, and I can talk about why we can still have hopium. I can talk about why the market looks like it's turning bearish. There's a case for both, right? But in this video, what I want to do is I want to focus on a little bit of the Jasmy, right? Jasmy from a TNA perspective, sitting here at an $857 million market cap, guys. You can see that Jasmy is holding this trend line here at about a penny and a half, right? A penny and a half, right? The momentum indicators on the daily are looking to reset, just have not got confirmation just yet. But this is a good sign that even though that the stock RSI came down on the daily, you're still seeing strength in the price, okay? Also for Jasmy, we like to look at Jasmy from the 3-day perspective, and you can see still here in this triangular pattern. We came out of it a couple times, but we always, it's like a magnet, pulls us back in, right? And again, momentum is also peak bearish on the 3-day, despite the 3-day bullish candle that, 3-day bullish cross that we did see here, right? Now, there's been speculation that Jasmy could be removing, Binance could be removing Jasmy out of the monitoring zone, right? A lot of people are speculating because now you can see Binance just posted this article. It says where and how to buy Jasmy Coin guide. So they seem to be adding a little bit of marketing, the marketing aspect that you want to see from Binance, because Binance is one of the top holders. So you want to know that Binance believes in the project just as much as we do, right? Binance looks bullish on Jasmy, updated on Jasmy Coin buying options, and now it's possible with credit and debit cards. So Google Pay, Apple Pay, they've just expanded multiple ways that you can actually buy your Jasmy tokens right here through Binance. So this is a step in the right direction for those who feel and view that Binance should possibly remove Jasmy outside of the innovation zone, right? The monitoring zone or whatever you call it, right? So they even give you an idea how you can also store your Jasmy tokens as well. So this is a step in the right direction, guys. But the entire market is it's definitely showing weakness, right? In the history of crypto cycles, there's always April have seems to be like a 50-50 month, depending on what cycle you go to. But the week going into the halving cycle, more times than not, has been a bearish week. And it usually takes about 6 months to a year for us to see that parabolic stage of cryptocurrency when we see cryptocurrency start to really go parabolic after the halving cycle. So it's important to note, guys, that it does not just happen immediately after the halving cycle. It does take time. And even though on the hour you can see that we're bearish, right? You know, every time we get a little pump, it seems like the market wants to go a little bit lower. Bitcoin is now trying to hold on to 60K, and ETH here is now over 29K. So all across the market, you're kind of like seeing a slow leak, right? It dumps for a few hours, and then it may pump for an hour, and then it resumes the dumps for a few hours, which shows us that a lot of people are pricing in the fact that we may not get these federal rate cuts until September, and we may not even get 3 of them. We most likely could get only 1 of them. So the market is trying to price all of this stuff in, as well as the macro wins we're seeing from the potential black swan event. So this is a lot. This is a lot, and this is the time when you ask yourself, based on where you're at in this market, where you're at from a net worth standpoint, right? Can you put up with this? What's going on? If you can't, there's nothing wrong with bowing out, especially if you've been buying crypto for since June 2022. If you just bought in at the top BTC 70K, then yeah, you might want to, you know what I'm saying, hold it down, right? Hold it down, because at the end of the day, you got into it, and I hate to say this, right? I don't want to say like we talked about it in the stream, like it's early from from a grand scheme of things, but just short term, right? Short term, right? BTC bought at the top, and this is the time where, a lot of people got to start asking themselves, like, do I wait? Do I buy now? When do I enter? It's just so much misinformation out here. So the best thing I can say personally is do what's best for you guys, right? I'm specifically talking about Jasmy. we know all the bullish things about Jasmy, right? We know Jasmy's team is bullish. We know the utility and use case is top notch. We know that AI is only going to grow from here. So the connection between data and AI could further send Jasmy to higher heights. But the one thing that we can't get a gist of is when the parabolic stage will actually start and if it will start. We also talked about on the stream how you have quantitative tightening bull runs, and you also have quantitative easing bull runs, which I picked up from Ben Cowan and watching his channel. So it's a lot to consider in today's market, right? And I want to know from you guys in the comments: are you bullish? Are you bearish? Are you taking a bow out the market? Are you going to continue to hold? I want to know the sentiment and how y'all guys feel about the current state of cryptocurrency. Let me know. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.